Everyone has heard of the wave-particle duality, but almost no one actually understands what that means. Everything, light, particles, and even us, in ways we can't observe, has a wave nature. Schrödinger's cat, God playing dice, and all the other crazy stuff you heard about quantum mechanics comes from this fact. Richard Feynman said you can see it all in one experiment. This one. In the classic double-slit experiment, you shine laser light through two narrow slits in a wall. Light spreads out like a wave as it passes through, and the waves from each slit overlap. When two crests meet, they add. When a crest meets a trough, they cancel. On the screen behind the slits, this wave behavior creates a series of bright and dark stripes. It's called an interference pattern. Okay, fine, waves do that. But what if, instead of light, you throw particles at the wall? If you did the same experiment with electrons, you might expect two bright spots right behind the slits, or maybe a massive scatter of hits. But that's not what happens. Electrons make the same interference pattern that light does, just like waves. But here is the twist. You can slow the experiment down and send one electron at a time. Each electron will pass through and hit the screen at a single point. Let the experiment run long enough, and you will see that same interference pattern appears. Even though no other electrons were passing through at the time to create interference. So somehow, each electron is interfering with itself. But here's the creepy part. If you put a sector at the slits to check which slit the electron used, the interference pattern disappears. It's like tossing a coin, except it only lands when you look at it. Before you check, it's heads and tails, a wave of possibilities. The moment you observe it, it snaps into one outcome. Physicists call this a superposition. You can try to picture it as a coin that's both heads and tails. But remember, an electron is not really a coin. Superposition is a quantum state that really has no classical analogy. It's a wave of possibilities, mathematically encoded in the wave function. Everything has a particle and a wave nature, and the universe won't stop showing us how strange reality can be.